Master Primavera P6, like a pro. Primavera P6 is one of the most powerful project management tools, used worldwide in construction, oil and gas, engineering, power manufacturing, and even IT projects. But most professionals struggle to use its full potential. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to plan, schedule, and control your projects effectively. Primavera P6, complete workflow, create a new project, set up ID name and dates. Define WBS, break project into phases and activities, add activities, assign IDs, dates and types, define relationships, finish to start, start to start, finish to finish links, assign calendars, working and non-working days and hours, assign resources and costs, automate cost tracking, schedule the project, press F9 to generate the timeline, analyze the critical path, identify tasks you can't delay, assign and update baselines, track progress versus plan, update progress, enter % complete, actual dates and delays, generate reports, progress, delays, cost and resource analysis. Why it matters. Primavera P6 =, control over time plus resources plus costs, the foundation of modern project success. Whether you're a planning engineer, project manager, or scheduler, P6 Mastery is a career accelerator. Want to learn Primavera P6 hands-on with real EPC case studies? Drop a comment P6 training below, and I'll share full training self-learn course details.